These new Anna, Elsa, Kristoff, and Olaf people are now getting all the acceptance. And Mom is forgetting about me. Maybe I'm no longer a part of the family. Sad and angry. Heartbroken and guilty. It seems I'm not a part of the family, Marigo, and I'm fine, I'm totally fine. They even got their own doors. I'm angry, they can't control the summer, they can't control the mountains. I can't take another night up in my room waiting on a miracle. They can have ice powers, visit a shop inside the house. I can't take another night up in my room waiting on a miracle. Always walking alone, always wanting for more. Like I'm still at that door, feeling hopeless after it disappeared. All they know is they care about them and not me. All they know is I can't stay on the side. Open your eyes, open your eyes, open your eyes. I will see them later, feeling like I really should be. Someone please just let me know, where do I go? I'm waiting on a miracle, a miracle. They seem to care less about me. They seem to hate me now. I feel that I should really leave this place, 'cause it's really a death trap, a death trap. I am ready, come on, I'm ready. I've been patient and steadfast and steady. Bless me now as you blessed us all those years ago, when you gave us a miracle.